오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일
All humans have mass, so when you put them in motion, you get momentum. Momentum depends on how much mass is moving and at what speed. In example 1, having more momentum makes it easier to complete movements smoothly. She has quick steps, so she's moving faster. In momentum, the variables are how much mass and how fast it is moving. In both examples, there's the same amount of mass, so the only thing changing is her speed. When she did quick steps, it put a flow on the movements and gave her enough speed and a burst of fluid energy so she could continue dancing. Overall, in example 1, she has more momentum and it is smoother. What goes up must come back down. So when she jumped, gravity pulls her back down. In dance, gravity is a common force. Leaps and jumps are constantly completed in dance. Gravity is what grounds them and makes the dancer come back down. An object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest until either are acted upon by an outside force. I keep moving until friction brings me to a stop. You will keep moving until you are acted upon by another force, which is friction in this example. It may not seem like friction is stopping me because I'm continuously pushing off with my foot, but it is one of the forces in this example. In dance, the dancer will also have to control themselves and make themselves stop on their own. This is another type of force that applies to this example. In this example, I still stop when friction makes me, but I'm not using another foot to push me up again to keep me going. You can see that in this example, I stopped on purpose to get to the spot that I want. How easy will it be for her to lift the dancers with different mass depends on how much force she's putting in. For example, say the girl on the floor is heavier than the girl pulling her up. The girl pulling her up will need to put in more force than she would with someone lighter than her. There's always a lot of walking in dance. Every time you push off the floor, it will push back with an equal and opposite force. They are called pair forces because each of the objects interacting have their own force. The forces are in the opposite direction of each other, so when you push down on the floor with your foot, the floor will push back up.
여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아